general aviation is advancing with more capable aircraft, smarter avionics, and growing focus on safety. But true safety isn't just about avoiding emergencies. It's about surviving them. This is where integrated safety comes in, a strategy that goes beyond airworthiness to ensure occupant survival in the event of a crash. With over 500 lives saved, BRS is shaping aviation safety. But in a real emergency, how much difference does a BRS make? Without a BRS, forward movement continues, increasing the risk of hitting obstacles. High-speed impact can lead to severe injuries, and greater structural damage makes escape more difficult. With a BRS, the descent is controlled, reducing impact forces. Minimal forward movement means no secondary collisions, and reduced structural damage allows for an easier escape. For example, the lumbar load on the pilot and passenger can easily exceed the survivable limit of 1,500 pounds upon ground impact without a BRS. However, it stays below the survivable limit when impact occurs under a BRS. With BRS, more pilots and passengers won't just survive the unexpected. They'll walk away from it